Right guys, so we're here, and to start off with there are 3 here. First one is out here, so let's get this over and done with so we don't have to face any more Yetis. And just so I don't die and have to do it again, even though you don't want to see that because I'll just get rid of the recording, I still don't want to have to do that, so out here somewhere. Okay, no. Ah, there we go. Right, so that's the first one. If you have the map-o-matic, you can just use your mini-map to find it. Or you'll find it by accident if you just go around the edge like I do, but... Right. Now, the next one is in the area over there. But we're going to take the shortcut because we opened it up. And you're going to need the Hypnomatic, I think, for this one? I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, we're going to need the Hypnomatic. Right, there we go. Right, now, the last one, guys, is... Ooh, we're making very good time. The last one, we'll just quickly leave this place. Yeah, alright. The last one's in here. And if this place is still flooded like I believe, yes, it will be. I hope. Alright, yeah, it is. Alright, the last one you need to do an underwater bit, and it's actually in a place you're not going to look unless you're just messing around. Similar to like the one I showed you in Ratchet 1 when the flooded area, you return back to there. Just a neat little trick that Insomniac like to pull off. Right guys, that's all of them for Planet Grelbin. We now have 34 out of 40. So I'm going to go get the last 2. Right, I'll be right back.